Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel dear viewers. In front of me INFINIX Hot 20i, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. Firstly, open control panel to disable all unnecessary services. So, if you are using Wi-Fi right now, disable mobile data. If you are using mobile data right now, disable Wi-Fi, because if unnecessary networks are enabled, they are constantly looking for network and it contains network. So with the Bluetooth is the same situation. If you are not using Bluetooth right now, just disable it. Then disable location services, just disable it and click close, because if location services are enabled, it's constantly looking for GPS signal, so we need to disable it. Then disable adaptive brightness and reduce screen brightness. Okay, and then last step you can do to improve battery life, so click enter ultra power saving mode, click enable, and in this mode all applications will be disabled and you can use in this mode only phone, messages and calendar. That's it, thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you!